name is James Lewis Knight, and I'll be your mime teacher for the next 4 sessions. First things first, let's warm up our bodies, because an awake body is an awake mind. Okay, let's begin. So first things first, I want you to take your right hand and place it over your left side of your head and gently press down. Not too much, but just a little bit, so you'll feel a stretch here. That's it, wonderful. Okay, and just hold it there for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. And now I want you to take your left hand and place it on the right side of your head, like this. That's it, wonderful. And I want you to hold it here for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Wonderful. And now we're going to look to the left and hold, and back to center. And now we're going to look to the right, and we're going to hold that, and now we're going to look back to the center. And now can we look up? What's up there? Holding, and back to center. And we're going to do that a few times. So it's left, holding, back to center, right, holding, back to center, looking up. Wonderful. Back to center. And now we're going to do it again, but I'm not going to speak this time. So remember, it's left to center, right to center, looking up, and back down. Okay, off we go. Wonderful. Good job. Okay, so now we've done our head and neck. We're now going to move on to our shoulders. So what I would like to see you do is bringing your shoulders up to your ears and holding that, and then in a moment we're going to release. And if you want to bring a bit of breath in, that is fine. Okay, let's try that again. Shoulders up to our ears. That's it. You can move that about if you like. That's wonderful. And release. Amazing. One more time. Bringing our shoulders to our ears, bringing it up. And release. And bringing our shoulder back. And bringing our shoulder forward. Swapping over to our other shoulder, bringing that back. And bringing that forward. Wonderful. Amazing. And bringing them both forward. That's it, getting them moving. And then bringing them back. Amazing. Okay, so now we've done our shoulders. We're going to move on to our arms, hands, and fingers. First thing we're going to do is we're going to get our fingers and we're going to give them a little bit of a dance. That's it. Can we go faster? Can we go slower? That's wonderful. Faster. Imagine your fingers are on a laptop and they're typing away. Typing a letter, typing an email, typing a message to a friend. That's it, wonderful. How fast can you type? That's it, wonderful. Okay, now slow. That's it. And now can we get our hands and can we make a wave with our hands? In and out, in and out. That's it. Wonderful. And bringing it into our arms so the wave is bigger. That's it. Wonderful. And then back to a small wave. Big wave. Small wave. Big wave. And now it's not a wave, it's porridge. Oh, it's harder to get through. That's it. You've got to wade through the porridge. Wading through the porridge. And back to an ocean wave. That's it. Wonderful. Bringing it back to our arms and our hands. Just our hands. Back to our finger dancing. And relax. And now we're going to try and energize our bodies by doing a bit of running on the spot. Okay, so we're going to run on the spot for 20 seconds. Are you ready? Find some space. 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's it. Keep up the pace. 20 seconds, 15 seconds left. That's it. Can you go faster? Can you go faster? Can you go slower? Slower. That's it. Wonderful. Awesome work. Okay. Now, what we're going to look at doing is putting our hands in front of us and we're going to try and hit our hands with our knees. This is called high knees. Can you reach them? Can you reach them? Okay, now placing your hands on your bottom and now we're going to try and kick our hands. That's it. Wonderful. That's it. And bring yourself to a stop when you're ready. And shake it off. So shake off your arms, your hands, each side. That's it. Wonderful. Shaking off your legs. Shaking off your whole body like it's jelly. And relax. Wonderful. And finally, one most important thing about mime is having an expressive face. So now we're going to look at warming up our face. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to take a bit of chewing gum and we're going to place it in our mouths. And it's going to start off small, but then all of a sudden it gets bigger. And bigger. And bigger until it's so big it's really difficult to chew. Wonderful, amazing. And now we're going to bring it back smaller and smaller. Wonderful. And now we're going to look at making silly faces, okay? So you can either copy my 5 silly faces or you can make your own. It's entirely up to you. Okay, so number 1. Amazing. Number 2. Wonderful. Number 3. Amazing. Number 4. And finally, number 5. Amazing. Well done. Our warm-up is complete. I'll see you in the next video.